Tianlong-3, a Chinese autonomous underwater vehicle, has dived deep into the South China Sea, undertaking a nearly 100-mile, 42-hour voyage. Built by the Shenyang Institute of Automation, the colorful Tianlong-3 looks like a clownfish from Finding Nemo, though the cute look belies serious capability. It has a forward propeller in the eyes and the mouth is a navigation sonar. Its vertical tail has a magnetometer, which is useful for detecting metals like manganese nodes or foreign submarines. Kai Wei, the chief scientist of the mothership Daongyu, noted that in 2 follow-up trips, the Tianlong-3 collected reams of data on natural gas hydrate and metallic nodules, in support of Chinese interests in natural resources on the South China seabed. Compared to its older brother Tianlong-2, the Tianlong-3 has longer endurance and a higher percentage of domestic content. With a maximum operating depth of around 14,800 feet underwater, this 1.5-ton, 11-foot-long robot submarine will take the lead in China's underwater scientific ambitions. The development of underwater drones reflects China's interests in underwater mining, deep-sea energy, and robot ships for civilian freight and military swarms. China's underwater Great Wall of networked seabed sensors and long-endurance UAVs like the Tianlong-3 and the Haiyan glider are tasked with identifying enemy submarines, mines, and other UAVs. Considering long-standing Chinese deficiencies in anti-submarine warfare, deep-sea drones like the Tianlong-3 have applications beyond the economic sphere. They can also collect valuable data about enemy submarine acoustics and oceanographic conditions for improving stealth and anti-stealth measures. For more peaceful uses, the Underwater Great Wall's collection of underwater and seabed data could facilitate search and rescue, earthquake and tsunami warning abilities, scientific research, and underwater resource collection. Meanwhile, Chinese naval warfare has plans for swarms on the seas and in the air, and private Chinese firms are pitching multi-hulled robot warships and a 56 USV swarm for militarized purposes. As China pushes for the lead in other future naval technologies like floating nuclear power plants, underwater mining and robot freighters, it is clear that smart UAVs like the Tianlong-3 will find an ever-expanding set of missions.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members only videos, and become an administrator in comments section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.